welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this like really cool neon sign text effect on CapCut PC. Go to text and add in your default text, and I'm just going to type in glowing. Well, you don't have to, but I'm just going to type that in, and I'm also going to change the font size of that as well. Then I'm going to add in a glow here, and you can choose any color that you want. Basically, just going to choose like this kind of like pinkish color, and I'm just going to adjust the intensity and the range. Then I'm going to copy and paste that, and on the first one, select animation and select the strobing one and adjust the speed a little bit, making it slower. And that is basically it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!